If you are looking for some application where you can make YouTube thumbnails, this video I'm going to show you where you can find it. So Canva is a tool where you can simply search for a YouTube thumbnail and edit however you would like. For that, launch any of your preferred web application. At the top search bar, type in canva.com. As soon as you do that, make sure that you are logged into your account, and then you will see a page like this. Here you will see a search button. Tap onto it and simply type in thumbnail for YouTube. And then search. As soon as you do that, you will see various thumbnail. Let's say you would like this one. Most of the templates here are paid, so if you don't have a paid account, only select the templates that are free. Let's say I would like to edit this one. Tap on customize this template, and everything here is editable, including the font, the picture. If you would like to remove this picture and add a new one, you have to select this picture, then delete this. And if you would like to add a new one, click on elements here and search anything that you would like. Let's say background. And likewise, you can also type in your own YouTube name and also give a YouTube icon. Type in YouTube here. Everything that you search should be under elements because it will give you various options. You can either select graphics, photos, videos, or audios. Likewise, if you like anything, you can go ahead, click onto it, minimize or maximize the size. And that way you can go ahead and edit the final thing. Once you're satisfied, click on Sure at the top here and click on Download. Just like so guys, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching.